Yes, screen is visible, right? Completely.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, heartily welcome to this free course of 20 hours of data science training. This will be providing opportunities who are enrolled in this program, and then this program is completely about the practical and theoretical. Yes, Oracle, Azure, and then AWS, IBM. So they are having their
SQL.
own SQS, SQL. Is SQL is like completely it is providing by the Oracle only, MySQL. The
Yes,
product
sir.
is completely developed by the Oracle Foundation, and we have many cloud storages are there. Currently, we are utilizing the cloud storages. So it is not personally we are not able to bear the cost, but for MNCs and few medium to large scale companies, they are adopted this type of cloud platforms to store the data. Okay? So data without science is nothing. Data only we are storing the data in some other flash disk in previous old technology, like old ways we are storing in CDs, and we are storing in format of pen drives. Now hard disks are there to store the data. So currently the data, if we want to read some data, we need some devices, we need some uh, data platforms to store the particular data. Okay, Siddhant, I thought, can you please mute your mic? Yeah. Data science is will help us to customer experience. As I can say one thing, what is customer best experience? Who is the customers? Customers is who are utilizing the data, right? They are customers. So if I can say, if I share one if I share one file with you, okay, you are storing in the format of drives. In the drive only you store in the format of files. Okay, that can be stored like in one space. In the same way, if you want to retrieve the data, we also retrieve the data. So it can be reliable, right? Reliable, we can use in a long, we can say 5 to 10 years, and very long years we can able to store, which can be, say, like, the missions can be leveraging the storage of the data. So, for example, there is one e-commerce company. There is one e-commerce company. You can take any type of e-commerce company which is providing sales or services to the customers. Okay. So every customer is one persona. Persona. He is purchased some goods, right? You can also see how what items you are purchased can be stored in the purchase history or else order details. Okay, so data has many verticals are there. So we are when we are storing in verticals is nothing but some type of industries, I can say, will be used across verticals. Across verticals is nothing but healthcare is one vertical, second one is IT industry is one vertical, third one is agriculture is one vertical. Okay, any type of departments, like some, what we can call it as verticals in IT terminology. Okay, it is not limited for the goods and healthcare, but we can be optimize a business process. Let me tell you, if you have an agriculture farm, if you are completely utilizing the all the data for the future purpose. Okay, so day by day, uh, water moisture in the earth, and what is the rainfall percentage. So what is the crop growth, what is the crop growth while you are yielding your crop. So in many ways we can able to see the data. Okay, currently what is the job market? You know, what is the job market right now? If you go to the any type of industry, well, if he is a developer, he is working as a full-time role, part-time role. So it is like apart from that, now currently industry is growing. Sorry, here I mentioned 2022 and 2032 here, not one. So now employment rate will be very increased by usage of this data science in their uh, like part of departments. Okay, job availability also more. You can see in the LinkedIn post, day by day, year by year, it is increasing. Now 2019, right? You can see who is having less than 1 year, the percentage of this job market will be very high. So as same I mentioned, in the job roles are there some job roles. What is the job role? Job role is nothing but how the person is like having the experience. Okay, if I'm currently, if I am a fresher, so they'll give a job role as an analyst, or else I can say business analyst, data analyst. So based on their experience, so building of the products, he is having more experience on the tools. Okay, tools and also the expertise on the skill. Okay, so that day by day his experience also increase, his role also may increase. Okay, data analyst having very few technologies he is know. So I can say we are delivering the technologies are Python, SQL, and then I can say some Power BI business tools, and then we have many libraries also there, right? Here, you if you have Python, basic Python and SQL along with one tool, then automatically you will be go with the analyst post. Next one is data engineer. He needs to be design and building the complete infrastructure of the data, because it has more responsibility. Okay, he must know different type of technologies like ML. Like ML, we have tools. In ML also we have tools. I'll discuss once we are moving into the ML part also. Okay, we have um, some of projects also there we can do practically. Coming to the data scientist, so data scientist having very much experienced on the field of these technologies, and he is completely, he's he's a person who is like having the admin role of the company. I can say very high role. It is it is equal to the CEO, director role in a small startup company. If data scientist, he is working in a MNC, he is a project lead. Okay, and then data architect is completely like having need more experience here. They need more experience. They need to handling these warehouses and lakes and databases also. Okay. You know how many
Sir, do we count EY GDS that I did few months back? That
yeah, that
was
is not
government, I guess, AICT.
yes, yes, that is
Okay.
also certification. But what I can say, if you have some experience, it is like little, they are having some small syllabus, so which is not I can say the projects. Hope you did the project, right? Power BI, how, what is the experience you are getting?
Yes, sir. I did one project, and I got the opportunity to present my project in front of the personals of EY GDS.
Great, great,
Yes.
that's fine.
And apart from that, I haven't done any certification till yet.
Okay, okay, great. So mainly nowadays, if you have the knowledge on particular technology, if you want to move to the IT, either it is not consider about how many years we are having experience. If someone having gaps in between 2 to 3 years, if they have some certification, internship certification, the companies will give you the opportunity who are having the knowledge and practical, you know, practical exposure on the particular technology. They'll consider. Rahul, do you want to say something? You have, right? You are saying. Hello. He's on mute. Okay. Bhupesh, do you have any certification?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Rashika is one of my, I can say, college mates. How are you, Rashika? Rashika?
Yeah, fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay. So let me go into the topics. Okay. Um, okay, we will talk once we are done with this. So data science course curriculum. What we are going to learn. That's we must know from the first day onwards. I am starting with the data science. What is data science? So data science is a currently it's a trending technology, okay, okay, which can be used by many type of companies, many verticals. Currently, they are only focusing on the data science part. Okay, why? Because they need to simplify some data, simplifies the data, and based on the data, there will be analysis of the company growth, I can say. Okay, this is the first one. What is the process of data science? I can say what is data science process is nothing but how we can extract the data. Okay, how we can able to I can say once we collected the data, once you store the data, we need to be remove some duplicates, right? Some data cleaning. We are doing some data cleaning. Based on the data cleaning, we are going to develop some reports. Okay, that reports I can say by using a Power BI. Can you please mute yourself, someone? Okay, Rashakaran, can you please mute yourself?
But I don't know, sir.
Mute option. Mic, microphone off. Yes, thank you. So here you can see data science process. What is the process? First one is collection of the data. Then we are removing the all the duplicates, and then we are process the data into. We are getting some reports. After the reports, we are moving with any type of tools like machine learning tools. Some of the tools we have the machine learning process. Okay, uh, s- so we can predict. We are learning. We can say I can say we are giving some uh, input to the particular data set, and it will be giving some response. I can say in ML part we have some regression algorithm, and then linear algorithm. We have many algorithms are there. Okay, based on the given data, what is the output you are getting? It is it is giving some prediction for the data which you are collected already. Okay, so mainly business people, what they can do in healthcare industry or else some type of some agriculture industry, any industry you can take one example. In IT industry, I can say in IT industry, the client give one data set to you. Okay, they'll give some document also. Okay, what we can, that is nothing but one problem statement. Okay, they'll give some problem statement. Based on the problem statement, we are doing the practical. Okay, we need to develop the reports, and we directly send it to the clients, and also we need to demonstrate in front of the clients. That is what it is happening in the industry. But what tools we are going to use? As I can say, industry expertise, industry experience also you will get right now. So I can say few of the tools we are using in real time process. One is Jira. You know how many of you know Jira? It's a project management tool. Jira. How many of you know? Anyone?
No, sir.
No. Okay. In any project if you are moving into, we have one Jira tool, or else some cloud also, Azure Jira. It's a project management tool. It is handling by the project management people. So it is directly log into the which account? Directly to the Atlassian account. Okay, this Atlassian is providing the services. So it is one type of dashboard. Okay, you know how many of you know about agile methodology? Agile methodology.
Sir, it's a concept that we follow on while making a software development, while doing software development. Agile methodology, Scrum.
From
Sir,
to
Scrum,
develop one.
Agile Scrum.
Yeah. Agile is one methodology. Scrum is a
Yes, sir.
process. Okay,
Definitely.
process which is having less than 15 days. We have some Scrum, the process we are making. So I can give you one small example. Agile methodology, why I am going here, like, you need to be understand this type of tools. um, Methodology core design. Give me a second. See here. This is one small example. Okay. This is the process actually. How we are moving into. First one is, if we are going to develop one particular product, it has to be core, right? So it is like first wheels. Next, they'll be like making few of the parts. So here, this is an agile development. This is completely okay. Here we have many type of methodologies, not only agile. Okay, we have one more. What is that technology? What is that? I can say methodology, not agile. Do you have any knowledge? You can check from your end. What is the methodology? It's a simple methodology only. Methodology to development one product, to develop one product. You know, any type of methodologies. So I can say based on this, so you just think about this only. If you want to develop one particular product, okay, Scrum, every 15 days we are collecting all the inputs from who are developing the product, and then ultimately they'll be research on the particular product, uh, where it is, like, design where it is. We want to develop this product every 15 days. The scrum less than 15 days, every less than 15 days, or else for 2 weeks it will be moving. So in company they are using Scrum and also Agile methodology. Okay, one is also waterfall method. This is waterfall method. This is also we are using there, but this methodology is different. Here this is the process from this methodology is completely what they do. for every version. This is not suitable. So if you want to develop one car, bike, or else cycle, bicycle, okay. So there'll be, this is what is the transformation, right, from bicycle to bike to car. This is the versions, like, uh, based on the priority. First, if it is a bicycle, one people can able to go, as like I can, so flexibly they can go to start and stop. There is one destination, right? So he is starting from one space, and he will be going to one end. Okay, from one person it is possible their uses of bike. So then next development is coming, bike, two people. Okay, they are moving from one end to another end, the bike is coming. Next, car, how many members? More than two members, right? Car. So this is like completely, we can call it as waterfall methodology, and this is like agile methodology. So the product making is very easy if we are go with the agile methodology. So nowadays most of the companies, they are following the agile methodology only, the scrum based. Okay, now, so this is we must know, okay, before starting of this course. Here what it is like exactly, here what it is, I can say first, this is one image, right? This is one splint, I can say splint. In scrum there is some splints are there. Splint means, what I can say, every 15 days or 2 weeks. Okay, to develop so particular thing, we are assigning few of the tasks, I can say. There is one project. If there is one project, we are going to develop data analysis on ages. Okay, ages, if you are getting the data from the of uk government of uk, you are getting some data of how many males are there and how many females are there. Based on that, they will be construct few plannings, and plannings on any schemes, like female schemes are different and male schemes are different. Some female schemes are different, right, in our government rules. So who are having the age, they'll be having to invest something to their marriage. So there are different schemes are undergone based on these ages only. Okay, they'll be collect on some uh, raw data of males and females from the UK government. Okay, let's think about it. This is one example, small example I can say. So the project name is ages from ages in UK. Like, let I can say one project you are going to select. So that name is age, I can say age. This is the one project, ages, I can say. Okay, this project having different type of sprints, ages 1, ages 2, like the numbers are there, 1 1 1 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1 2 2, like any, it's like serial numbers. This is considered as a document. We need to complete this document in 15 days. To develop this, to complete this document within the 15 days, it is assigned to the one team. Okay, after 15 days, they must moving into this next uh, next, I can say, next process, next other 15 days. Next, they'll be develop all this. So next, after 222, they'll be um, fix some number. They'll fix some number based on the part by part. So let me give you one example, small example, for your understanding, because I am explaining the real process what it is going in the company. There is one data science. This is a data science, right? one project is there. So on ages, this is the data you are collected from one country. Okay, these data they'll collectively, first of all, if they are getting the data from one department, like I can say, um, who are enroll this ages, so they'll be have some. So we in India we are having other cards to see what is the collection of the data inside. So in UK you can say some ID cards are there, they'll be provided by the one department, right? So they'll be collect this from the multiple source. Some hospitals, they'll collect some data from the hospital, like department of hospitality, and the department of like health, or else any other they'll collect from the private hospital. Different type of data they are collecting from every this product we are going to develop. Ages 1 to 1, 1 1 2. So they'll be give the data and they'll set up instructions they are giving in the document. You need to complete and you need to figure out in you will give some um, reports. You will be giving based on the based on this particular Zira, I can say this is, we can call it as one splint. Okay, in splint they'll ask you the report on each and every number. Okay, once it is all completed, they'll be close this one. Once it is completed, they'll be close and they'll be end this complete data science project. Okay, this is how Jira tool is works in real time. So if they are consider in the work in Excel sheet, it's not possible. If it is real time, they'll assign some task. Okay, understood how it is working in the real time, how we are going to do. Hmm? give me uh, give me a second, I'll give you some idea about how splint is working. If you go to the Gmail calendar, okay, now if you go to the calendar, or else we have book. Yeah, go to the calendar. This is one of the good example. Okay, this is the calendar, right? If you want to assign few tasks here, task means, so see, this is the task, right? Here in the left side you can see task. If I want to assign some task to any particular person, okay, here I can able to assign the particular task. So here after 9 to 10 I have to schedule one meeting. Okay, or else do not only, if you go to the calendar it will be show something, but if you use some particular task only, task, I can say only it's we can save in the birthday and also task as well. So particular email ID we can able to use here if I want to schedule one meet, right? Okay, understand. If you want to schedule one meet, I can able to schedule the meet. Here also we have few options are there. I am unable to find these options, but like this only the task will be there inside. They will be assigned some task to you based on day by day. So they will be seeing your progress of the project. This is simple way I am explaining this one. It's not, it's enough. We are not moving with a lot of examples. It is enough. So do you have any question here? No, right? Hope you understand. We are using agile methodology. The process Scrum also, it is like same the process which is like divided into the splints. So we'll complete and accomplish task in the IT company. Waterfall method we are doesn't use right now. As of now, we are not using. Okay, so first of all, in the introduction part, what we are learning, the importance of the data science, and where we are using the data science part. I am mentioned in the PPTs as well. Introduction part. This is, I'll share with you this PDF PPTs to you by via email. Okay, so we have only 1 hour of the time, and I'll keep this session for 1 hour, and then for 1 week I'll spend only 3 hours, Monday, Wednesday, and also Friday. Okay, remaining time what I can do every day, whatever the whatever we are completed the topics, I will give some questions, and also the next day I'll give some solutions for the question. You just think about it, and which is relevant on this domain, not more than that. Do you want to ask any question right now? You can ask. Anything to ask?
Sir, shall we be doing any live projects during the program?
Yes, we are doing the live projects on Power BI, and we can do ML projects also. If we have time, AI related projects. So first,
Okay.
we are moving with the Python, right? In the Python also we have some projects, practical projects. Okay, how we are going to develop one, I can say some small calculator by using of Python, and how we are going to develop um, some text to image, text to audio. So there is some type of projects also there. You can also put into the resume. Python projects, SQL projects, then what we're going to learn, Power BI projects, ML project, and AI project. These all the projects you can able to do. In class time, I'll do one project, and I'll assign one project to you on the same day. I'll give the solution for the project in the next day. Okay, no need to worry, but you can try from your end. A, anybody ask any questions? Feel free to. We have 5 minutes left. So our next class on, not tomorrow,